If you've ever wanted a spectacular lake and mountain vista, this is your destination. Welcome to 386 Tumbleweed Trail in Rutledge, Tennessee. On one of the highest points in the gated community of Shiloh Springs, this home, built in 2011, offers 3 bedrooms and 2 baths for 1,850 square feet of exceptional living area. Luxury abounds as soon as you enter the foyer. The open floor plan allows for easy access throughout the main floor, and take in the spaciousness and modern styling of the great room. The designers ensured a panoramic view through the wide windows, here and in the dining area, part of a kitchen layout that makes optimum use of space. This island facilitates meal preparation with ease and makes the perfect counter for snacks. Combined with state-of-the-art appliances and tremendous cabinet storage for total efficiency. 3 bedrooms await your tour. Each will meet every family member's taste for comfort and privacy. Right now, this is the ideal sitting room. The master bedroom is spacious beneath a deep tray ceiling and offers that mountain and lake view you'll enjoy every morning. The master bath provides a dual vanity and a large glass shower. And out back, we've provided you a cozy screen porch, again looking out on the view. And at the basement level, you have the perfect spot for evening gatherings. There's also plenty of storage inside. 386 Tumbleweed Trail in Rutledge is an exceptional home in a tremendous neighborhood on the shores of Cherokee Lake in East Tennessee. Call Debora Barnes at Above and Beyond Real Estate direct at 865-566-4424.